Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for green cleaning products business. So first type Wix on the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, let's create a new site. Build with the Wix editor. Click here. So what kind of website are you creating? Now enter the business type or the website type. So for example, let's choose this. Now wait a few seconds, preparing the dashboard. So here enter your business name or your store name. Next, you already have an online store. Do you wanna to move an existing store to Wix? Not yet. Now, what would you like to sell? Physical products, dropshipping products, services, and digital products, and print on demand products. Now, let's move on. Where would you like to sell? Online store, my mobile app, and marketplaces, and social media. Now, continue to dashboard. So, design your site here. So how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or here if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Here enter your information, your name, your email, your address, and your phone. Here if you wanna add the social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Now wait a few seconds. Preparing the homepage designs. Pick your favorite homepage design. So for example this. Here if you want to add some page to your site, I'm gonna choose them all and let's continue. Now your site is ready and running. If you wanna edit more your site, so this is your homepage website. Here you can add elements. So the first element here is the text. If you wanna edit the size or the shape of the text, here just select any size you want. Here the titles, the paragraphs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image elements. If you're looking for something here, if you wanna upload image and if you wanna import image. So let's move on to the button elements. Here the buttons, the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons and document buttons, and iTunes buttons, and here the payments buttons, the pay buttons and the PayPal buttons. So if you wanna edit the size of the shape, just select any button you want and you can put it on your website homepage. So let's move on to the strip. Here the classic or the featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials, and themes. Here if you want to add something, just select and add it on your website homepage and it will be done. So now let's move on to the decorative elements. Here the shapes, your lines, the themed lines, the basic shapes, the rows, the horizontal lines, the vertical lines. Here the vector art, the future, the icons, the animals in nature, the logos and the badges, and the characters. Here the video box, the video mask, and transparent video. So that's it. Now let's move on to the boxes. The boxes elements. Here you can add some themed boxes if you want to select your size or the shape of the boxes, the container boxes and the over boxes, and the tabs. Here the galleries. If you wanna look in for some galleries, recommended galleries. If you wanna some pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries. Here if you wanna show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menus and the anchor. Here the same the menus. the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. Here the in-page navigation, the anchor and the in-page menu, and the last thing here is the search, the site search. So let's move on to the contact and forms. And the contact forms, the order forms, the registration, the donation, application, the feedback and the requests and the waiver and subscribe. So any form you want here you can select it and add this on your website. So let's move on now to the Google Maps. Here you will find the normal maps and full width maps. Let's move on now to the chat, the Wix chat and the line button. So let's move on to the video and music elements. Here the video elements if you want to add some single video players, and here the music elements, the audio players, Wix music, SoundCloud player, Spotify player, iTunes player. So now let's move on to the interactive. Here the slideshows, you can edit the slideshows elements, the light boxes and the boxes, and here the repeaters. Now let's move on to the list. Also here you can just select any repeaters you want, the over repeaters and the blank repeaters. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom some popular embeds, if you want to edit some single video players, if you want to edit your audio elements, here you find the advanced elements, the marketing tools and the Velo dev mode, and here the last thing is the animation elements. Now let's move on to the social bars. If you want to add some social bars here, if you want to add some Facebook bar or Twitter, Pinterest, VK and Line, and the last thing is YouTube. Now let's move on to the payments element here, the payments buttons, the payments forms and the person plans, and here the last thing is store elements. You can edit your store elements here. Now let's move on to the here if you want to easily manage your site content. Here if you want to edit the blog, if you want to start a blog, share your expertise and engage with your audience. Here is the store. You can also edit the store elements here, the bookings elements, the related elements and the pricing plans. Now let's move on to the events. Create and manage events easy and quick. Here you can add a site, add to your site and find out more. Now the community, if you want to add the members area, and the last thing here is your designs. So that's it. Now if you want to add sections, click here, select any section you want. That's it. Now if you wanna add some pages and menu, click here and you're gonna select any page you want. Here if you wanna design your site, customize your site design, you can edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. If you wanna add some apps, here if you wanna manage your business, here you can edit your media, upload your media. You can also edit images and videos. Here if you're looking for free Wix images or free Wix videos. Here if you wanna easily manage your site content. And the last thing here is marketing and SEO. If you wanna edit the Google ads or Facebook ads, SEO and social media marketing and the marketing integrations. So that's it. Now if you wanna edit design in your homepage website, you can move the sections, you can move it down or move it up. If you wanna do a quick edit, here you can explore section layout, and here you can add more actions. You can copy or cut or duplicate the section or delete the section. So that's it. After you're done from this design in your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.